All right, let's look at question 40. It says find angle QPS. QPS, that's the angle here. Now, this, according to circle theory, the angle at the center is twice that angle subtended at the circumference from the same arc. So, if this is 6x plus 12, 24, half of it will be, you divide both sides by 2, that's half of this 6x plus 24. That's the angle at the circumference. So over 2, so 6x over 2, that will give us 3x plus 24 divided by 2, that will give us 12. That means 3x plus 12 is the angle subtended at the circumference. Now this is a quadrilateral, a cyclic quadrilateral. And in a cyclic quadrilateral, look at it, 4 sides. A quadrilateral is a shape that has 4 sides. Now in the cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles are supplementary. That means they add up to 180 degrees. So it follows that our 5x plus 3x plus 12 will give us 180 degrees. So 5x plus 3x is 8x plus 180 minus 12 degrees. Take the 12 to the other side. So 180 minus 12, that's 8. 168 degrees, we have 8x. Now at this point, we divide both sides by 8. 8 here 1, 8 here 1. So our x is 21 degrees. But that is not what we asked for. Look for. We asked to look for angle QPS. And angle QPS is 3x plus 12. So we already gotten our x as 21. So that's 3 into bracket 21 plus 12. 3 times 21. That will give us 63 plus 12. That will give us 75 degree. That is option